The Sephora Savings Event is officially here. In today's video, I'm going to keep things fun, practical, but of course deluxe, all under 50 bucks. I handpicked products that make perfect gifts, stocking stuffers, little treat to self, without going overboard, you know what I mean? Because honestly, I'm very guilty of this. I know many of us are, but sometimes, you know, we can get a little out of hand at the sale because it's just too good. But we've got a little bit of everything and I'm excited to share all the goodies with you. So let's get on into it, shall we? Do not sleep on the Sephora collection. They make great products. For example, the eyebrow pencil. It's great. I remember one year I bought like 10 of them and it lasted me over a year. Sometimes I feel the line itself is a little underrated, but again, do not sleep on the Sephora brand. Everything in the Sephora collection is 30% off. Nice quality products. Obviously, like any other brand and any other thing, not every single thing is perfect, but majority of the products that I've tried over the years from the Sephora brand are outstanding. And again, at 30% off, you really can't beat it. From their brushes to their blushes, it's a great way to stock up on some things, to gift without feeling like you're compromising on quality. So again, definitely check out the Sephora brand and enjoy that 30% off. ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm Trio. If you saw yesterday's video where I shared my Sephora sale recommendations, this one was kind of no budget. I shared this product with you. This little set is a great way to experience the brand without splurging on the full size. Like testing the waters, if you will. Testing the different options that they have because it comes with 3. I've tried them all. They smell really good and they're very, very effective. In the set, you get the classic, the rose, and then I think then the Roly, and they're all in the mini jars so that you can use to try each one and see maybe which one you like the most and then get the full size. And also you can split these up and take each and put it in like a little stocking stuffer. You know what I mean? I know I talked about this in yesterday's video, but the ELEMIS Cleansing Balm is one of my favorites. It melts the makeup off. It's super effective. We're talking long wearing foundations, SPF, mascara, all the things. It does a great job and it's very effective at removing makeup, literally melting it off the skin. And it's not going to leave the skin stripped or dry. It's overall a great product and I think this is a great set at a great price point. I am so incredibly grateful for this. Guerlain sent this over because guess what is at Sephora? We have a lipstick and case, but not just any boring case, okay? Look at her. Ah! Look at this case. I cannot. It is so beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. I cannot. I actually can't. Case you buy separately. And the case comes with a mirror. So you have a mirror up top and you have a mirror down here. You can do your little touch up. Little check, see how am I looking. And when you put the lipstick in, that's when it locks the mirror. Technically, these are under 50. But you have to buy them separately. But that gives you the ability to customize fully. You can pick a nice case. There's an array of options and the same thing for the lipsticks, along with different finishes. I'm wearing the lipstick today. This is the shade 968. It's a satin lipstick. And I kind of just dabbed it. I didn't go full on. And that's the beauty of the formula. But of course, if you want to, you can, you know, amp it up. But oh, I can't get over this beautiful case. And yes, it does come with its pouch. Now, the great thing about customizing like this and this option overall is you can buy the case one time and then buy a couple of different lipsticks so you can rotate and enjoy your case. Next up is a little gift set from The Ordinary. This set in particular is for hydration. Whether you need hydrating skincare that's going to get you through the cooler months, because usually our skin gets a little bit drier when it's cooler, or you want a quality gift that's under 50 bucks, this set is definitely one to check out. My daughter has this set and the size of the products that you get are actually really, really decent. You get a moisturizer. There's also a cleanser. I don't know where it is. I just grabbed what I could, what I saw in her bathroom. And then you also get a toner. It's a great set. It does also come with a bag. I have no idea where the bag is, but It's a great set. Everything all in one, everything you need. Next is a little trio from Rhode. And this is the Holiday Glazed Trio set. I think this is a really cute way to try the brand. So in the set, you get 3 of their best sellers. You get a little mini glazing milk. I actually used the glazing milk today with my Dior foundation. And then you get 2 lip products. Rhode in general, the brand, I think is really perfect for those of us who want those effortless, easy makeup products. And I think this set is a great way to dabble in and try the brand without spending too much. I have already shared this with you in a couple of videos, and I used one of them today, but I put it back in the packaging because you have to see how cute it is. It's the Merit Mini Flush Blush? Yeah, Flush Balm Trio. It's their blush. It's just mini and it's so cute. Look. You get 3 of their signature blushes. They're mini, but let me tell you, that's fine. You still get a good amount of product. I'm wearing Les BonBon today. Les BonBon. That's the one I'm wearing today. This one. Postmodern. Really pretty colors, very practical. These are so easy to blend. They're super natural. Dab it on and go, or you can build it up if you need a little bit more. They wear beautifully. Gorgeous finish on the skin. Great for travel. Great to gift. Great way to try if you don't want to commit to the big one. Also, take them out. Make a stocking stuffer. There you go. The shade selection that they went with in this little trio is going to work for a multitude of skin tones. Really, really, really great little set. Major Dimension Essential Artistry Edit eyeshadow palettes. I know, long name. But these, ooh. I think these are a perfect alternative if you don't want to have a bigger palette. This is a good size. You get 6 shades. And what's great is these are very practical colors. And there are 3 options. Light, medium, and deep. This is deep. I did a Tom Ford Tuesday where we did a little thing because we're on a side quest over there trying to find a palette that compares to another Tom Ford. But anywho, the tones, it's the tones in this that are so wearable. Very, very easy and practical for your everyday real life. Compact, travel friendly, great formula. These are good and they're worth a look during the sale. The Hourglass Unreal Liquid Blushes. I've got a couple of these. These are so good. So natural, so skin, so easy. And the best part is they last all day. Beautiful, beautiful product. The formula is so easy to work with. You literally need like 1 or 2 drops of this because it's a product that has just, it's a liquid and you have to just do a couple, you do a drop and that's literally all you need. Okay, they nailed it with this formula. It's very lightweight and it wears beautifully. It just gives you that beautiful flush that lasts all day. Super easy. Gucci gang, where are you? The Gucci Luminous Matte Blushes. Yes, just yes. These are powder blushes from Gucci. My goodness, what a gorgeous formula. These are stunning. Beautiful finish. They're called Luminous Matte, but I'll just call them a satin, if you will. They just smooth the skin when they go on and they just melt in and give you a gorgeous, gorgeous flush. And the packaging is really nice too, right? Super luxe, it's Gucci. Now, the thing about these is you can keep them soft and sheer or you can build them up, but either way, it always just looks really smooth and beautiful on your skin. It doesn't look like blush. It just looks like you have a healthy flush. And these are really perfect for your everyday, or you can get a color that's a little more for when you want or have a special occasion, you know what I mean? We're talking about blushes, so let's just continue. The Rhode blushes. These, wow. These Rhode blushes are so easy to work with, so easy to wear, and so easy to use. This, I guess this is one of my favorites. Look at that. It's a nice, gorgeous pink. Creamy, they can build, or you can keep it sheer. And the thing about the overall line is it's just natural. You can put this on blended with your finger and go. The finish is skin. It's a bit of a glow, but it's just, it's so pretty. I love that this gives you a fresh, glowy finish. And you honestly cannot beat the price point on these. I currently have 3 and love them. From the Sephora brand. I am wearing this on my eyes with something else. I'll share that with you in a moment. But this is the Precious Gemstones eyeshadow palette. Titanium Quartz is the color story in particular. Okay. I love that you get a large, we can call this your base shade, your highlighting shade, a mix of metallics and soft neutrals that have really pretty payoff. I've got this all over as base. I have this on my outer eye, and then I have this on the lower lash for today's look. The Sephora brand formula and their products in general are fantastic. Don't sleep on them. And again, this, you're gonna get 30% off. You honestly can't go wrong with any NATASHA DENONA eyeshadow palette, whether it be the big ones, the midi, but today, the minis. These are awesome. These are great. The quality is outstanding. They're smooth, they're blendable, they're pigmented, they're easy, and the color stories are so approachable and wearable. It's very travel friendly, it's small, it's compact. They're quick, they're easy, the shadows wear well, and they always deliver on a polished look. And this will fit nice in a little stocking, you know what I mean? For a little stocking stuffer if you want to go that route. Or grab one for your everyday. Makeup by Mario Cream eyeshadows. These are so long wearing, perfect as one and done. This one in particular, what color is this? I think this is blush. It's just, I love pink. This is an easy, put it on with your finger, blend it, put it on with the brush, blend it. It sets, it wears all day, it doesn't crease. It's so simple, so easy. This is for those mornings when you just put it on and go. And again, great price point. If you've been curious and you didn't already peek down in the description box at what I'm wearing on my eyes, I'm excited to share these with you. These are from Tower 28. These are little shimmer eyeshadow sticks. Oh, they're so good. They're so easy, and they're so, so, so pretty. I have 3 of them. I have the shades Garden, which is on my lid. It's like a really pretty purple. I have the shade Avalon, and I have the shade Roxy. I have a little bit of, I think it's Avalon on my inner corner. These are so fun, and you can go on with them sheer if you want a little bit of shimmer, or you can build them up for more. Creamy, and they last. Now these come with a little cap. Hold on to those. It's going to help with it from drying out. Roxy. Here's Roxy. Look at that. Ooh, I know. These are a nice, a little more affordable alternative to some of the other creamy shadow sticks that are out there. This is Garden. That's the one I have on my lid. It's so pretty. These are cooling, and they're very easy to apply, very easy to work with, and they're very comfortable to wear all day. They don't crease. They don't budge. They're really, really great. This Prada eyeliner. Ooh, this is what I've got in the waterline. Super creamy, very, very easy to work with. I went with this lighter shade to use to brighten my under eye waterline, and you can also use these on your inner corner and on your brow bone and just blend it. Now this is a very creamy pencil, but once it sets, that's it. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere. The colors are modern and wearable, and they add that subtle luxury touch. Again, all under 50 bucks. Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, the proper name, the Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer. I have the shade 4W. That's what I'm wearing today. Let me tell you something about this concealer. This concealer means business. Here's the applicator. Just designed in a way that you can hold it to do a little, or you can hold it flat and put a little bit more. Here's what 4W looks like. This concealer is full coverage. Obviously you can share it out, but man, it's thin and super duper lightweight. It stays in place. It's very comfortable on the under eye. I need hydration on my under eyes. This is not one of those full coverage products that is just so much it's drying. No, no, no. It's the perfect balance for when I need a little bit more, but I also want something extremely long wearing and comfortable. This is outstanding. This is a very loved product. Very, very well loved. So I don't even know what the cover is. But yeah, this is from Makeup by Mario. This is a bronzing serum. Oh, I love this. This is perfect for your everyday. This is perfect for when you don't want to do a lot. This is perfect for a no makeup day. This is also perfect when you want to just wear your makeup and do all the things. Soft, but it gives a very natural warmth to the skin. And what's cool is you can go the pump route or the doe foot applicator route. Let me give you a swatch of this. You see how natural that is. It blends effortlessly. It gives you, I'm skincare, but I'm here to help sculpt you a little bit and bring some warmth back to your skin. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, so it is going to give you some glow, but it's not going to be a greasy type of glow. And this also layers very beautifully with all of your other makeup products. This is really, really good. Now, Ellis Brooklyn has a really cute set. I thought it was too good not to share. I love a good fragrance. I think fragrances make great gifts, but also this is a great, I mean, awesome way to try 2 fragrances that I really thoroughly enjoy from Ellis Brooklyn, and I know you've heard me talk about them. In my Sephora recommendations video, I did share another Ellis Brooklyn, but oh my goodness, Ellis Brooklyn is just, I really like their fragrances. I just feel like this set is a steal if you want a little luxury in your fragrances. Now you get the mini or smaller, these are full size. You get the mini versions of Miami Nectar and Guava Garnita. Now, Guava Garnita, I feel it's juicy and tropical and bright, whereas Miami Nectar feels it feels like sun-kissed skin with floral and like a little touch of coconut. I love this so much. Let me tell you, and I don't care, this is year-round. This you can wear year-round. I don't care what anybody says. When something smells good, I don't care what time it is. I don't care what day it is. I don't care what season it is. These smell incredible, and I really like Ellis Brooklyn overall, so I had to share. You know what else I saw? Let me gather. Because I am very grateful that a lot of the things that I'm sharing with you are things that I've experienced with and I've enjoyed and I really feel are good enough to share with you. Yeah, they're under 50 bucks, but I still have to share the best of the best with you. Anyways, where is my other one? So Huda Beauty has sets where you get one of the lip stains and a gloss. So look at this gloss. You can see I really, really like it. They're really, really good. And I now am a proud owner of 3 of her lip stains. I'm currently wearing this one with the Guerlain lipstick. Let me tell you something. I have had these since they came out. You store them down like they say. I love these so much. And I think the set, staying within our under $50 budget, to really enjoy a good lip product. You can use these to fill in your lip completely and just wear it all on its own because it feels like nothing and it stays. These do not budge. Oh my goodness. And then the gloss, it's literally, your lips look wet and juicy. And I just think that's a great, great, great little set. And the value is outstanding and it's a great products. So, I mean, I had to share that one with you too. So all of these goodies that I shared with you today are all under $50, but they're still great quality, good performing products that treat yourself, try something new, but also use it as a gift or as a little stocking stuffer. I love that I was able to share this with you. Yes, we did a full recommendations where I didn't really think about the budget or the price range. I love that I can share with you quality pieces, but still within a budget, sort of, kind of. Everything I've mentioned in today's video will be listed and linked down below or on the shopping prompt on screen. If you want more, definitely check out my full recommendations video. Thank you. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today and allowing me to share these goodies with you. Take a moment and give today's video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon.